to draw a shark. Okay. First, to draw a shark, we need to do like this. Okay. Okay, and after like this. Like this, okay, and after short here, and make like this 1, 2, 3, and his eyes, circle, and wait a minute, his nose, just like that, okay, and just like that, and after this is the shark. And after how to draw a realistic jellyfish first. It's like that and like that, like that. My gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Like this and like
Maganda ba natin rin kasi literally sa atin rin. Pag ay nalalasing siya dun sa gumagaling. Pare. Ako ron? Wala pa tayo minsan. Eh, kaya rin. Balat na pala.
okay. Oh my gosh, I made the wrong circle. My gosh, I made gosh. Okay, so how to draw realistic octopus? First do like that and like that. Okay, do like that and do like this. Oh my god, like this and like this. And another one like this. Okay. And do some like this and like this to be his eyes and do like this and do like this, okay, and like this and like this. So 1, 2, 3.
Di random yan, mga tatlong ganun pa, tatlong edit pa, no?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that, 7, and the last one, 8, and do like this, like that, and like that, and like that. And next, how to draw realistic squid. First, like that, and
Ano mo to? Wala, pagkain pa, balata mo sa kalit mo. Sabi ko, 20 lang, pare.
Okay, and like this.
Hindi, baka na, ano tayo,
Like that, like that. Wait, wait, wait. Like that, and one,
Nahuli ka sa mismo kasi.
2,
Ito, kinuha, di ba ka dyan eh? Di mo iba
3,
Hindi alam lang naman yun eh. Hindi, bilang ka na kaso.
4. Okay, and yeah. And how to draw realistic dolphin. First, do like this and like this. Okay, and like this. Plus, wait a minute. Okay, plus like this. Equal, just getting. And he stays do like that and do like that, and after okay, and after okay, yes, I submit the pose here and okay, yay! And we are going the octopus to close the circle. That how to make a realistic seahorse.
6 by dati oh. 6 by dati ang pangit eh.
Like that, like flamingo, but like that, and after like this, and like this, this, and this, okay, so let's make a circle. Okay, and now we will color. Oh, yeah. Bye, guys.